the previous one, we talked about what you should know about your drone. And when we say what you should know, we mean everything. If you missed this one, it's in the description below. This was the start of the playlist. Now, the second most important thing, and it is a basic one. Yes, it's the number two. You need to have a reliable takeoff and a landing spot. You want to make sure that the area is clear, there is no dust, there is no debris, there are no plants, there is no grass. And when the drone takes off or it needs to land, you do not get a bunch of dirt in your motors and in your gimbal. Now, one thing that you can use that is super useful, and it is a launch pad. You can find this one rather cheap. I mean, okay, you can make one even on your own, but there are many launch pads out there. You can just go ahead, grab one, have it in your bag with your drone. It folds, and you wherever you go, you can just use it. By the way, this is a very nice place. Since we're watching this is in Tinos, and there were some nice videos that were gonna be coming very soon. So if you want to learn about new places or tips about how to fly your drone, this is the right place. Make sure you subscribe, you leave a like, and it is the bell. You gotta hit the bell so the algorithm knows, oh, you want to watch this. So you can go ahead. If you have any questions, please do not hesitate to post them down below. More tips are going to be coming, so priority will be given to those questions, since there is a human, not just me, with a scenario providing tips from almost 6 years now. So cheers, have a great one.